This is the FTLL spinner toy. It's supposed to be for like people with ADD or people that are just bored like me, got nothing else to do. It's got this centerpiece on here. It's got ceramic ball bearings in there. It's supposed to be better than metal ones. It's got the three outer ones here, which they turn but not real easy. So they're not like this center one, which if you hold this in the center here and spin this, it'll spin for a while. They claim 1 to 3 minutes. See, my cat even wants to play. You know, you can turn this. It's pretty easy to hold. You can feel it trying to turn, and you know, I guess with me turning it, playing with it, it's not gonna. And it's hit my hand a little. It's not gonna last quite a minute to 3 minutes, but it's still going pretty good. It's a little fidgety toy. Something to do when you got nothing else to do. Yeah, it's still going. I thought it was going to die earlier. So this really does spin a lot longer than I thought it would. You know, you could actually put this on the table and spin it too as well. That'll probably go forever and nobody touches it. Oh, cat's gonna play with it. I guess it becomes a new cat toy too. Oh, that stopped it. Alright, looks like a fun toy for me and the cats. Something to play with. It's pretty cheap. Something to do. It's the new rage. This is the new yo-yo, they say. So we'll see. Looks like fun. You didn't get to see that spin earlier. I'll give you a close-up of it. It spins pretty damn good. I guess I shouldn't say that. It spins really nice. Cat really likes it too. Can't keep him off of it. And there you go. Pull the trigger and buy one.